So in this video, we're going to talk about some of the key differences between the useState hook and the useReducer hook in React. So as we know, both of these hooks are used for the state management, but they will be most suitable for use under some key criteria. So first of all, the useState hook can be based for primitive types like we have the numbers, string, or the boolean values, where in case of useReducer can be based for managing objects or the arrays because they have more complexity. Secondly, the useState will be best suited for managing one or two state variables, where in case the useReducer will be ideal for handling multiple transitions. Suppose we have 5 to 10 transitions, in that case we should use useReducer hook. And thirdly, the useState will be best suited where we have unrelated state changes or if the states are simple, where the useReducer will be best where we have related state transitions. So suppose we have the states loading, error or data. So we have three states and as you can see they are related. So if we have the loading true, then the error will be null and the data will be null. So if we have the error, then the loading will be false and there will be no data. So if there is data, then the loading and error both will be false. So as you can see, three states are related to each other. The transitions between these states are complex. So in that case, we should use the useReducer hook. And fourthly, so the useState mainly used for the local component states. In case of the useReducer, that is mostly preferred for global state management, where the states are shared across multiple components. And point 5, so in the useState hook, we can update the state directly by using the setState function, where in case of the useReducer, we use the dispatch with the specific action type. And number 6, here the code complexity is simple, and also here we have less boilerplate, and also we have the simple state updates. But in case of the useReducer, we had to write more code, and also we have the complex logic, and the useReducer provides better scalability. And finally, the useState is best for straightforward state updates. In case of the useReducer, that is best suited for complex or related state logic where we have many variables. So these are the key differences between the useState and the useReducer, where the useState is simple, localized and less complex. In case of the useReducer, that is complex and the states are interdependent, and here we can manage global state logic, especially when we have multiple state transitions. So hope you understand the concept. See you in the next one. Take care.